In this video, we'll show you how to install LDPlayer 9 on PC step by step, quickly and easily. The first thing we need to do is visit the official LDPlayer website. I'll leave the direct link in the video description so you can access it safely and avoid unofficial download websites. Once we're on the website, we'll look for LDPlayer 9 and click the download button. The download will start automatically, and after a few seconds, the installer will be saved on our computer. Once the download is complete, we'll open the file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to the device, we'll click Yes to continue. Next, the LDPlayer installer will appear. Here, we'll be able to choose where we want to install the program and review the available options. Once everything is ready, we'll click Install. The installation process may take a few minutes, depending on our computer's performance. During the installation, it's recommended not to close the installer or turn off the computer. Once the installation is complete, we'll open LDPlayer 9 for the first time. The emulator will start Android and complete the initial setup required to get everything ready. After that, we'll be able to access the Google Play Store, sign in with our Google account, and download the Android apps and games we want to use on our PC. And that's it. As you can see, installing LDPlayer 9 on PC is a fairly simple process as long as we use the official website and follow the steps correctly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.